Hello there. Meet Bob. He is super excited about his new reimagined workplace. Gone are the days of boring cubicles. Bob's desk has been replaced with a portable, secure, and reliable workspace that fits in a box. Whether he is working from the office, home, or a coffee shop, Bob's new workplace is wherever he is at. When he goes to the office, he feels safe and secure with thermal scanners and automatic check-ins using his credentials. All the while, the virtual and attentive guards greet him with a smile. Bob's space is designed to make collaboration easy and engaging. Open sitting areas and hoteling desks allow him and his colleagues to interact, share, and enjoy work in a space that meets their needs. Bob can reserve his space before he even walks in the door using integrated scheduling software. He can book a private desk for individual work or a collaborative space with his team. No matter where Bob chooses to work, his customers are just a walk away. No more planes. His huddle room walls are now places filled with virtual presence. Enhanced with HD cameras, quality audio systems, and video screens, these reimagined spaces enable people joining in anytime and from literally anywhere to share a seamless, interactive experience.
Hey, John. Looks like you're back in San Diego.
Desk spaces are intelligent workstations. They automatically configure themes around his favorite color and shades. When he walks out with everything in a box, housekeeping gets alerted and gets the whole place sanitized for the next person. In his new work environment, Bob can work from home, in a train, or maybe his backyard. His collaboration and communication tools makes it as easy to connect with coworkers and clients as the in-office huddle space. And his VPN and multi-factor authentication keeps his box safe and secure. The box just opens to bring his desk back seamlessly with just a click. These new workplaces are an engineering marvel for an exciting tomorrow and the new normal.
This is my desk. Where's yours?
Blackbox, reimagined workplace.